That's all stuff for nightmares. Aww. There she goes. There she goes again. Hello everyone, my name is Cantdogames and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to some more memes. Today we are looking at instant regret. People dying inside compilation. I really hope you enjoy it and you can leave a like on this video to support the channel. And don't forget to check out my weird news. Tomorrow we've got a challenge video. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this regret, shall we? This soup don't splash. Okay.
Bro, what type of soup you know don't splash?
What the what? That's some really thick soup. Oh no. Don't go near the dog's butt. Don't go near the baby's bum. I wouldn't do that. That dog's react. Oh. Oh, can you imagine if that was like a school sports day and you're recording your kid is about to like win a race and some idiot's head pops up in the camera.
Every girl's nightmare.
It's literally when I used to actually go out and all that, I would walk along and I would just get really bored, so I end up walking like really all backwards, and I'd just make my friends feel so uncomfortable because I'd just be doing something really weird, and they'd just be like, "Fuck's sake!" They'll walk ahead of me or they'll walk really far behind me. So it doesn't like they know me. After you tell God to help you lose weight, ice cream. He goes like, no, you will not eat ice cream. Don't you dare. Okay.
Already forgot why he opened the door.
Are they cats? Yes, they are. Freedom! Freedom! Spider. When the man acts so brave and then they notice that his wings. Fuck that, I'm out.
I still don't think anybody can beat me at this game. It's impossible. I'm just too good. Come on now. World record holder. It's too easy. I think I figured out the trick to this too. You pretty much just have to...
Oh, I want to see the video of him reacting to that. Oh my god. Wait, what's that say? How to skydive. Seriously, you're googling how to skydive? Are you serious?
Greg!
Oh, hello. Jesus Christ, Stephen, I didn't know it was him.
Dude! Go away!
Aww. Oh, bloody hell, Jesus.
My fucking gas tank's farting. What the fuck?
That isn't good.
Is it gonna explode?
Yes.
Somebody that knows
Run.
cars, just let me know. Why is it farting at me? I don't understand what's going on. I literally put gas in it like 3 days ago.
That's really concerning. I don't know. I would probably not be anywhere near that if I was you.
In the car.
Oh no,
Oh, man.
no. This is not a good idea. The glass.
Hold on, there's more. Yeah, get a few more.
Just slid out.
No, the yellow ones.
You gotta pay for that now.
Come on, let's go.
Wow, Father of the Year, Mark J.D. Shit, run.
Why are oranges called oranges, but an apple is not called red? Oh my goodness.
Why are oranges called oranges, but why are apples not called red? Because some apples aren't red. You have green ones. You have yellow, red ones.
Now the filter was on.
What? Is it the face swap? Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Look at that. Perfect pause. Look at that face. That's all stuff of nightmares.
I will eat your soul.
Tortilla challenge. What? Is that what you're meant to do? Just smack someone with a tortilla and hold water in your mouth? Taking her to one of the fancy restaurants that cook the food in front of you. Subway. Genius. Bloody genius. Alright everyone, that was some instant regret. I really hope you enjoyed. And I will see you tomorrow for a challenge video.